Hi all, today I'm going to explain why blind spot is important. If you see in this side mirror, there is a blind spot mirror installed, and now I'm focusing where you can see the pavement in the blind spot mirror but not in the side mirror. So let's see how we install it in car. Hi all, today I'm going to show you that how to install blind spot mirrors in the car. So it is useful whenever you are in traffic and you have some blind area in your car via your normal side mirrors. Then you can apply blind spot mirror. Is really helpful in the traffic and driving, like whenever you are taking turn or taking passing lane. So if you see here currently, we are able to see the curb not completely. So if anything is behind me, with normal visibility we cannot see. But if we put this blind spot now, okay, now we can see the whole curve as well as the cars which are behind this. So this is one of the benefit. So before installation I am just clearing my mirror.
Rub it properly so that there should not be any sign.
As well as there will be dust on your mirror,
Yeah.
which will lose the stickiness of the. So now mirror is all clean.
Yeah.
So this mirror, even like in the frame, you can adjust your mirror based on thing you want. And while you are going to choose which kind of mirror you want, so my car is having I choose this kind of mirror. So, and if you have a round shape side mirrors, then you can go to Walmart or Dollar Tree and get the round shape mirrors as well. It is available.
Yeah. So this is the like kind of semicircle, like half circle, like 1/4 of the circle, kind of blind spot.
So we can see that we don't see any children here, but if we put here camera, you can see the whole curve.
I'm not able to.
Adjust the mirror. I think this direction is correct.
Now you go there. Yeah. Now I can see.